Today's Bible verse comes from Proverbs chapter 18 verse 10, King James Version. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous runneth into it and is safe. Proverbs 18:10 means that the Lord's name, representing His character and power, serves as a secure refuge where righteous people find safety, just as a strong tower offers protection from enemies. It contrasts true security in God with the illusion of safety in worldly things, urging believers to run to Him for refuge in times of trouble, relying on His faithfulness and presence for protection and peace. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, the name of the Lord. In the Bible, a name signifies a person's character and essence. So, the name of the Lord refers to who God is: powerful, faithful, just, merciful, and the covenant-keeping God, Yahweh. Number 2, a strong tower. A fortified tower was the ultimate place of safety in ancient times, unreachable by attackers. God provides this same level of impenetrable security. Number 3, the righteous run to it. The righteous aren't perfect, but are those who trust and rely on God. In danger, they turn to Him, not to worldly solutions, finding ultimate safety in His presence and promise. Amen.